In this video I'm going to show you how to download Crusader Kings 3 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Now we need to quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So go to the Steam website. After that, quickly search up the game through Steam and we will search for Crusader Kings 3. Select the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is quite expensive at Steam. €49.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games legally online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage and here we are going to search for the same game, Crusader Kings 3. Now what you need to do next is select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now we need to scroll a little bit down till we will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, and as you can see this text is marked green. This is very important, otherwise it won't work. As you can see, this game is for the Microsoft Store. So if we will open this game, then you will find out that we can download this game through the Microsoft Store for just €11.98 compared to the Steam price of €49.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a link for a new account on the Microsoft Store to download this game completely legit on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!